T cells are white blood cells that act as decision makers and helpers for the immune system, and they are now known to talk directly with the brain and with the systems that handle food and nutrition. For people with neurological disparities, T cells can either support brain health and recovery when the body is well nourished or make problems worse when there is poor diet, food insecurity, or chronic inflammation. T cells are a type of immune cell made in the bone marrow and trained in the thymus to recognize what belongs in the body and what does not. There are killer T cells that destroy infected or cancerous cells, T cells that coordinate immune responses, and regulatory T cells that act like brakes, calming inflammation when it has done its job. Overall nutritional status, extreme undernutrition, and diet-induced obesity both make memory T cells function poorly, which weakens long-term immune protection and can lead to more infections and chronic inflammation. In animal studies, severe protein energy malnutrition sharply reduced the survival and function of memory T cells and led to worse control of infections despite past vaccination. Protein and amino acids. T cells need enough protein and certain amino acids to grow, divide, and switch into helpful memory or regulatory modes. When diets are very low in protein, memory T cells struggle to persist and to produce the signals needed to protect tissues, including the lungs and possibly the brain. Fiber, fat, and the microbiome. Diets high in fiber help feed gut bacteria that produce short-chain fatty acids, which promote regulatory T cells in the gut and throughout the body. These TREGs act to calm excessive inflammation and support tolerance, which can protect the brain from constant background immune noise. In contrast, Western-style diets high in saturated fat and sugar can shift T cells toward more inflammatory types and increase their infiltration into the brain and spinal cord, especially after injury.